Can I put my arm on here? Or is it gonna
Sure.
mess up here? Okay. You recording?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Another Kawasaki Quirk. I spent the first clicking through the screen trying to find the cameras because all the other guys include at least one camera, right? And they definitely talked about it on their release, their launch release stuff. They don't come with the cameras, you have to buy them extra. They're not expensive, so it's no big deal. Plugged them in. It's a little weird because so far I can only get them to show up on the, what would you call that? The dash screen,
Right.
like the one right behind the steering wheel, not on the Garmin screen. So I don't know if they just don't talk at all. It's a little weird. It's a little weird. Also, I wasn't super impressed with the quality. Like, it's okay.
They're Garmin cameras, though.
Well, I don't know what these are. I don't think so. I think these are Kawasaki cameras. Little parts numbers. I don't recall seeing anything Garmin about them.
Interesting.
And on the Garmin screen, it does say
Order
Garmin
specific
cameras.
Garmin cameras.
And you have to, and they're like Bluetooth, I think, because it says searching for a camera or whatever. So I don't know if there's a way to get that over on the other screen or whatever. But so that part's weird. The quality of the camera, though, I think would have been better had I pulled the little protective screen off like that. So I think I'll be more impressed now. Kawasaki Quirks.
Way to keep them protected.
For real, I was like, kind of blurry. It's not very awesome. It even zooms in, but like, what's the point?